Hi guys, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. My name is Galvin and you are watching a video from Roselearn. The topic of this video is PancakeSwap and I will take a look at Bitcoin. Before starting our video, did you take this position? Let me know by comment. And you can watch my first video when I said you can try something like this. I think I can edit this line. Yeah, something like this. What is your opinion about this chart? I'm bullish. If you agree with me, we need to find a good interlevel. Where to place a stop loss? Here and here. Make a choice. Everything is going well on the PancakeSwap side. But don't forget, we have a hero. We have Bitcoin. And we need to be bullish on Bitcoin to have good moves on altcoins. But as you can see, PancakeSwap is good. Are we okay? Is this enough? Then where are you, Bitcoin? Bitcoin is much better right now. But we need to make a new higher high. If you are a midterm trader, follow this resistance. If you are a long-term trader, as I said, follow this resistance. And if you are a short-term trade, and if you are a, something like short-term trader, you need to see a new higher high. Need to break this resistance. This is all we have right now, and I hope you will like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.